In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 404 errors on hosted site pages in Webflow. Open the Webflow website, then hover over your project and click Open in Webflow. This takes you into the Designer, where you can republish the current version of the site. The first fix is to republish the site after recent edits. A very common reason for a 40404 error is that changes were saved in the Designer, but the live site was not republished, so visitors are still reaching an older or missing version of the page. In the top right corner of the Designer, click the blue Publish button. A Publish panel will open. In that panel, tick the checkbox next to your staging URL ending in .webflow.io. Then click Publish to selected domains. Wait while Webflow finishes publishing the site successfully. Once that completes, open the published URL in a new tab and check the page that was showing the 404 error. If it now loads correctly, the issue was the missing republish. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the rest of the site works but one specific page still returns a 404 error, the page is usually set to draft, which means it is excluded from publishing. To fix that, stay in the Designer and open the Pages panel by clicking the page stack icon in the top left toolbar. In the list of pages, find the affected page. Here, the page is called Old Pricing. Hover over that page row, then click the gear icon that appears on the right side. This opens the page settings for that page. In the Page Settings panel, go to the top right area of the section and click the arrow beside Save Draft. From that menu, click Stage for Publish. After that, click the page. This makes sure the page is ready to be included the next time the site is published. Now, go back to the top right corner and click the blue Publish button again. In the Publish panel, tick your staging URL ending in .webflow.io, then click Publish to selected domains. Wait for the publish process to finish. When it's done, open the page by clicking the arrow icon. The page should now load normally, instead of showing a 404 page not found screen. When you visit a URL that was previously returning page not found, the Webflow page should now load correctly, either because the site was republished or because the page was taken out of draft.